this is a tough group. Tajikistan's good side, Jordan very good, and Saudi are the best side in the group. So all of the games will be tough. But like I said, we will take lessons from all of these games. We will try to win all of these games and see where we are at the end. I can promise you that every game we will improve, and that's the best that we can do.
Don't forget one thing, what is very important. Every game started by 0-0. Tomorrow, nobody asks how you play against Jordan and how you play against Saudi Arabia. Tomorrow started the game by 0-0, and both of the team will start and try to win this game tomorrow.